In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. Let's get started. Open Outlook and go to your calendar. You can switch between Mail and Calendar from the left side panel. We'll be working only inside the calendar. To create an event, you can do it in two ways. You can click and drag over a specific time slot on your calendar to select the time frame for your event. Outlook will automatically fill in the date and time. Add a title, add your invitees, and I'll show you how to turn it into a Teams meeting in a moment. The second method is to click the New Event button at the top. Select Event, and it will open a new window with more options. Here again, you can enter the title and the people you want to invite. Inside this window, you'll see a toggle that enables Microsoft Teams. Turn this toggle on to make the event a Teams meeting. When it's enabled, it will light up, depending on your theme. This adds the Teams join link to your event. If you need to add notes, change the location, or include any details, fill those in. Then click Save. After sending, you'll see the event appear on your Outlook calendar. When you open the event, you'll now see a Join button for the Teams meeting. You can also view this meeting inside Microsoft Teams. Go to Teams, open the calendar, and once it loads, you'll see the same event. When you open it, the Join button will appear at the top. Every Teams meeting also creates its own chat where participants can communicate. You can click the chat icon to open the meeting chat. You can send messages before the meeting starts or wait until you join the meeting and access the chat from inside Teams. That's a quick tutorial on how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting inside Outlook. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.